A docking hub like the J5Create JCD543 triple display docking station is designed to expand your computer's display capabilities through a single USB-C connection. This device from J5Create allows you to connect up to 3 external monitors, along with accessories such as keyboards, Ethernet, and storage devices. It works best with computers that support DisplayPort alternate mode through the USB-C port, which enables video signals to pass through the dock. Once connected and configured correctly, the dock can extend your desktop across multiple screens, making multitasking, editing, and productivity much easier. Step 1. Connect the J5 Create JCD543 dock to your computer's USB-C port that supports DisplayPort Alt mode. Step 2. Plug your monitors into the dock using HDMI or DisplayPort cables. Step 3. Connect the 100W power adapter to the docking station for full functionality. Step 4. Install the DisplayLink Manager software from the official website. Step 5. Open your system's display settings and select Extend Display to arrange the monitors,